Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to get gold button in Google Play points. It's mean gold level in Google Play points. Google Play points are received when you purchase from Google Play Store. However, we can earn Google Play points completing free tasks, such as installing new apps for one day. So I am going to install new apps to earn play points. Apps depends on your country. Let me install apps. After install the apps, make sure to open apps to little time, and don't uninstall apps for 24 hours. It's mean you should keep apps for a one day. When you reach gold level, you'll be gold member once you reach 600 points, and then you will get 1.2 points earned for every $1 spent. They will get gold weekly prizes as well as special earn rates when buying in-app items, books and movies. See, I got the gold level now. How to spend Google Play points? What are the benefits of Google Play points? Check my other videos for that. See you again with another video. Comment me below if you have any questions about Google Play points. Subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you.